you just got an HP Deskjet 4155e printer and you're trying to figure out how to connect it to Wi-Fi, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to quickly get your HP printer talking to your Wi-Fi network and finish the setup using the HP Smart app. If you need extra help along the way, just call the numbers on your screen and you'll get a real-time expert assistance. Alright, let's dive in and get your printer connected.
Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date.
First, turn on your HP Deskjet 4155e printer. Once it's powered on, find the Wi-Fi button on your control panel and press it down. This activates Wi-Fi mode on your printer. Now, grab some paper and load it to your printer's paper tray. We're going to print out some important information in just a moment, so make sure your printer is paper ready. Look at your printer's control panel and find the information button. It's marked with an I. Go ahead and press it. Your printer will automatically print out a special information page for you. Once that page prints, take a look at it and find the Wi-Fi direct name and password. This information is super important, so keep that page nearby because you're going to need those details in just a few steps. Now, grab your phone and open your Wi-Fi settings. Make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on and ready to connect. You should see a list of available networks pop up. Look through the list of Wi-Fi networks and find the Wi-Fi direct name that was printed on your page. Once you spot it, tap on it to select it and connect to it. Your phone will now ask you to enter a password. Type in the password from your printout and hit connect. Once connected, your phone talks directly to your printer via Wi-Fi Direct. Now, we need to download the HP Smart app so you can complete the full Wi-Fi connection and start printing wirelessly. On your phone, open the App Store if you have an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you have an Android phone. Search for HP Smart app and download it. The app is free, so just hit download and let it install. Once the app has finished downloading and installing, open it, give it a moment to load up completely. When the welcome screen appears, you should see an option that says Add your first printer. Tap to start the setup process. Next, tap on Get Started and your phone will automatically start searching for your HP Deskjet 4155e printer. It should find pretty quickly since you're already connected through Wi-Fi Direct. Once your printer pops up on the screen, tap on it to select it, and boom, your printer is now successfully connected to Wi-Fi and ready to print wirelessly from your phone.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.